Right then guys, the Escort RS Turbo just literally landed with us. We're just getting it lined up now and then we will take some photographs. Yeah, we just bob it in the middle, Jack, so we can get right round it. Oh, yep, yeah, that's it, you got it. Nice and steady. They're a bonny looking car, aren't they? Yep, right hand down a little bit, straighten her up, that's it. There we go then, guys. Right. I'll take you on a quick tour around while we're here now. Same with the Cortina, Jack, if you wouldn't mind. If you go and get the Cortina in, we'll do the same. Strike while the iron's hot. We'll leave the paper in. It just saves the wear, doesn't it? RS mats underneath there as well. Door shuts all nice and clean, along with the door cards. We'll have a look at some numbers in a minute underneath there, see what we've got. I'll get Jack to photograph them shortly. Battery's gone low, I'm afraid, so battery could do with a charge up. Tailgate's all good. All boot floor's nice. That's nice in there. Nice and clean all around the back. And then she's a picture underneath there, guys. In actual fact, I'll get that bonnet state. Hang on. Bear with me. There we go. There you are. Look, someone's pride and joy, that, isn't it? Isn't that nice and clean? Battery covers there. It's just slipped back. We've had to jump start the car. Numbers there for you, but there you go, guys. From memory, we have lots of Escorts, don't we? Lots of fast forwards, but from memory, I think it was a very, very sensible reserve and guide on the car. So come down, have a look, go through the paperwork we've got in the office, do your checks, make sure it's one for you, make sure it ticks all the boxes, and buy yourself a lovely RS for Christmas.